Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the vibration strength on a Huawei Fit watch. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the home screen to open the quick panel. Then tap on the settings cog to open the settings menu. Select strength from the menu. Here you can choose between soft, strong and none. Select the one you want and then tap OK, and that strength will be selected. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.